Hazrat Zainab radiyallahu anhu states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "O the group of women, give alms even though from your jewelry." Hazrat Zainab radiyallahu anha says that she came to Hazrat Abdullah bin Masud radiyallahu anhu and said to him, "You are penniless and destitute, and Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam have commanded us to give alms. Go and ask Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam whether it is sufficient for me to give you alms, otherwise I give it to someone else you." Hazrat Zainab radiyallahu anha says that Hazrat Abdullah bin Masud radiyallahu anhu said to me, "You should yourself go." Hazrat Zainab radiyallahu anha says, "I went to see a woman from Ansar standing at the door of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and she was having the same problem, and we would remain in awe of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam." Hazrat Bilal radiyallahu anhu then came out, so we said, "Go and submit to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam that two women are standing at the door to know it whether their alms stands paid if they apply it to their husbands and the orphan children in their laps, and do not tell him who we are." Hazrat Bilal radiyallahu anhu went to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and asked him about this problem. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon asked Hazrat Bilal radiyallahu anhu, "Who are they?" He submitted, "One is of helpers and second is Zainab." Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked, "Which Zainab is she?" He replied, "Wife of Abdullah bin Masud radiyallahu anhu." Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "She will earn twofold reward, one for kinship and one for giving alms." Note: optional alms can be given to one's husband and children, but obligatory charity like poor due cannot be given to them. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 2315.